Today we will be changing the light bulb from the blinker because it is broken. So make sure you watch the entire video, and if you like what you see, actually like and subscribe down below. So let's go! What is up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dutch Mike and today I have a little issue on the trustworthy MK5 GTI. As you can see, the blinker light is out. We purchased some new ones and we're going to change it. So yeah, it is broken and it will say also that on the dash, which is quite annoying. And if you turn the blinker on, it goes click 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 click, which is annoying too. Not that anyone uses a blinker anymore these days, but I am the kind of guy who says if we have it, it must work. So let me show you the alert on the dashboard, and then we will get into the changing part. So we have the dash here, put the key in ignition. We can see that the warning light stays on right there. And we will start it first. See, light stays on. Close it off. And it says front left turn signal not working, which means, yeah, that's annoying, right? So let's pop the hood and change it. So guys, as you can see, it's this unit we're gonna change the light in. The problem with this car is you will expect a unit and then an electrical harness behind it. But that is not true. You're going to look for a small flat thing and then just twist it. So let me show you. Here it is. Twist it to the left. And then we take it right out. So, if you can see, there is no electrical wiring all around it. I don't think this one is broken at all, but we're just gonna change it. Just push it in, push it out, just like that. Easy as day. So, what we're gonna do now, get a new one out. I hope. These things are always a pain. Hey, this is going easy. Now, these light bulbs fit only in one place in, so push it a little bit in, it has some wiggling, and twist it one thing. You can see it here and here, that it is locked in place. Once you've done that, you're gonna feel for the hole. Many of you will be good at that. And then just, there we go, that should do it. That should do it. Just push it in, twist it a quarter or so, and then we're gonna see if it works. And we can see that already with the unlocking, it doesn't work. So I'm starting to think I did something wrong here. I just don't know what yet. Okay, the light is good in. There's no burns here. Push it in. Yeah. This is always a pain, guys. This is always a little bit of wiggling around, so yeah, that's there we go. Now it's solid. Let's see if it works now. There we go. Fixed it. Let's do one more test, shall we? We will go in. faults have been cleared and my US lights are working again. That's all there is to it, guys. You have some cars where you do have an electrical harness behind it, so you just plug it out and then the light always goes in on the same way. It only fits in one way. You only have to wiggle a little bit, make sure it's tight, and that's all there is to it. Basically on every car the same. However, on the newer cars with the LED headlights, you can forget all of this because you need a complete new unit. Luckily we don't, we still have an old car so far. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe down below, and I will catch you guys the next time. See you later, guys.